Hi ladies, this last section, it's optional for this homework, so it's not for a grade, but if you're interested in going on to honors classes, EP Calculus, this is the kind of stuff that you're going to get to learn. So let me show you how to factor when this number in front of the x squared isn't a 1. So we're going to have to use magic numbers, but in a way that we've never used them before in class. So here's how we're going to do it. Usually when we have magic numbers, we want to know two numbers that multiply just to that. So usually we would want numbers that multiply to 20. But really what we want are numbers that multiply to 20 times the number that's here. Usually that's 1, but this time it's not 1. So we want numbers that multiply to 60. So 60 equals something times something and add to 19. Okay, so those magic numbers, you can pause and think, or I'll just tell you, 15 and 4. Multiply to 16, add to 19. Now, 15 and 4 aren't your answers. Here's the next step. Once you find the magic numbers, you're going to break 19x up into 15x plus 4x. Remember, these magic numbers work because they add to 19, so I'm allowed to do that. Now what I have are 4 terms. I can group them into pairs. I'll do the first 2 and the last 2. And from each pair, I'm going to take out a greatest common factor. From this pair, I'll take out a 3x, which leaves me with x plus 5. From here, I can only take out a 4, which leaves me with 4 times x plus 5. You'll know that you're doing it right when this factor and this factor are the very same, which really means you can, again, factor out the whole binomial x plus 5. And you're left with 3x plus 4. And that's in fact your answer. You can check it if you multiply it back out using FOIL. So that would give you 3x squared plus 4x plus 15x plus 20, which is 3x squared plus 19x plus 20. So there you go. Have fun doing these factoring problems. Bye, ladies.